Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, your go-to channel for all things luxury, wheels, and power. Today, we're diving into the pinnacle of road luxury, the 2025 Prevost Luxurio Motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a 5-star hotel, on wheels, and it's turning heads in the RV world for all the right reasons. From the moment you lay eyes on the Luxurio, you know it means business. The sleek aerodynamic design is a blend of elegance and functionality. With a bold chrome grille, full LED lighting, and a seamless panoramic windshield, it looks like it belongs in a futuristic movie. But don't let the stylish exterior fool you. This thing is a beast under the hood. Powered by a Volvo D13 engine with 500 horsepower, the 2025 80. 5 Luxurio delivers smooth and confident performance on highways and mountain roads alike. The ride quality is top tier thanks to Prevost's legendary suspension system, offering unmatched stability and comfort even on the roughest terrains. Now, step inside. This is where the Luxurio truly earns its name. The interior is handcrafted to perfection, featuring high-end materials like Italian leather, real wood finishes, and ambient LED lighting that can be personalized to your mood. The layout is expansive and smart, with slide-outs that open up to reveal a full-size living area, gourmet kitchen, private bedroom suite, and a spa-inspired bathroom. One of the highlights? The tech. You get a full smart home system on board. Think voice-activated controls, touchscreen panels, and even remote access through your phone. The entertainment setup is cinema-grade with a retractable OLED TV, surround sound system, and satellite connectivity, so you're always online, even off-grid. Storage is another win. The underfloor cargo bays are spacious and motorized, perfect for storing outdoor gear, bikes, or even a compact vehicle. And yes, it comes with solar panels and a top-of-the-line generator for total independence on the road. In terms of safety, Prevost pulls no punches. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, collision warning systems, all standard. You're not just driving in style, you're driving with peace of mind. But of course, all this luxury comes at a price. And we're talking well over $2 million depending on the customizations. But if you're someone who wants nothing but the best and plans to live the RV lifestyle full-time, the 2025 Prevost Luxurio is more than just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle statement. That's it for today's review on Honest Auto Wheels. If luxury RVs and next-level travel experiences are your thing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Let me know in the comments, would you take this beauty cross-country or park it up as your second home? Catch you on the next ride.